Assessment of cost and income of onion production in Balia district of eastern Uttar Pradesh, India. This important article is authored by the following scientists. The present study focuses on the assessment of cost and income of onion production in a case study of Balia district of eastern Uttar Pradesh, India. The system of India's economy predominantly depends on agriculture. It contains attractive good qualities of calories. In India, onion is an important spice and commercial crop which can improve the livelihood of poor farmers. It also plays a crucial role in the food and nutritional security of human beings. It is consumed almost every day in every home, and it is consumed as a salad and cooked in various ways in curries, fried, boiled, baked and used in soup making and pickles. A multistage sampling technique was used for the selection of respondents. Primary data was collected by personal interview methods with the use of a pre-structured and pre-listed schedule questionnaire. Finally, 100 farmers were selected randomly from 4 selected villages. The data were related to the Rabi season in the agriculture cropping year 2021-22. Overall average costs of cultivation of respondents were found per hectare to be 1,11,493 rupees and 95 paise. The higher costs of cultivation were observed on medium farms to be 1,18,430 rupees and 40 paise, followed by small farms and marginal as 1,09,070 rupees and 72 paise and 1,06,980 rupees and 72 paise per hectare respectively. Per quintal cost of production and ratio of cost of input-output analysis were calculated for the cost of 1 to C1, C2 and C3 basis. It is concluded that in the study area, marginal, small and medium farmers expanded for cultivation of onion distinguished resources but at the last yield. And income analysis shows not much differences at varying size of farms in the regard of economics of the onion production. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe to our channel to watch more scientific videos.